Hey there! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got something special for you. You'll hear a real story, told in simple English. This is your moment to relax and learn. We call this a second chance. Listen carefully, read the subtitles, and enjoy the ride. Let's begin. Chapter 1: The Ordinary Life. Jake was an ordinary guy. He woke up every day at 6:30 a.m., brushed his teeth, drank black coffee, took the subway to work. He worked in a small bookstore in New York City. The same routine, every single day. But Jake had a secret dream. He wanted to travel the world. He wanted to see the ocean in Bali, feel the rain in Tokyo, dance in the streets of Rio. But instead, he organized books and smiled at customers, politely, quietly, predictably, until one rainy Tuesday. Chapter 2: The Letter. That morning, Jake found something strange in the mailbox. An envelope. No name, no stamp, just one sentence on the front. For the brave. Inside, a small note. Your second chance is waiting. Go to gate 17 at JFK Airport. Tonight. No questions. Just go. He laughed. This is a joke, he thought. But deep inside, his heart beat a little faster. That day, he couldn't focus. He spilled coffee on a book. He forgot a customer's name. He kept thinking, what if? By 5 p.m., he made a decision. He grabbed a backpack, threw in a few clothes, and took the subway to JFK. Was he scared? Yes. Excited? More than ever. Chapter 3: The Stranger. At gate 17, the airport was quiet. One plane. No destination listed. Just the words, special flight. A woman sat alone, wearing sunglasses and red shoes. She looked like she belonged in a movie. Are you here for the second chance? Jake asked. She smiled. Took you long enough. Jake blinked. Wait, what? Her name was Luna. She was a photographer. She had followed these mysterious notes too. And she believed in one thing. Life begins when you say yes. So they got on the plane. Together. No idea where they were going. Just one rule. No looking back. Chapter 4: The Journey. The plane took them to Iceland first, then Morocco, then Thailand, then Peru. Every day, a new letter arrived in their hotel room. Go to the market. Try something new. Say yes to a stranger. Jake tried fried scorpions. He danced on a rooftop. He sang at karaoke badly. He learned how to surf. And he smiled. A real smile. Luna captured every moment. Photos. Videos. Laughs. They became best friends. Maybe more than that. But one night in Bali, another letter came. It's time to go home. Jake froze. Luna whispered, what will you choose? Chapter 5: The Return. Jake returned to New York. Same bookstore. Same subway. Same city. But he was different. He smiled more. Talked to strangers. Started a travel blog. And every month he wrote letters to strangers who needed a second chance. Left them on benches. In coffee shops. Just like someone once did for him. One sentence on each envelope. For the brave. And that's the story of Jake, a simple man who said yes to the unknown, who got a second chance and gave it to others. So now I ask you, what would you do if you found that letter? Thanks for listening. If you enjoyed this story, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a second chance. And remember, practice makes progress. See you in the next episode.